Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials: phone charged, Wi-Fi active, and the camera powered. Open Guarding Vision and sign in. If you haven't made an account, create one now and enable two-factor authentication for safety. Once done, grant the app camera mic and storage permissions so recordings and live view work. Make sure your phone and camera are on the same 4 GHz network. This prevents pairing errors. Finally, tap Add Device to begin the automatic discovery and pairing process. Now you guide the app through pairing, choose QR or AP mode based on the camera's instructions, and press the camera's pairing button when prompted. You'll see a live feed preview once connected. Name the device and assign a location so notifications are clear. Next, configure motion detection, define zones and sensitivity so you avoid false alerts. Also set video quality and decide on continuous versus event recording. Link your cloud plan or insert local storage, because retention to finish by testing everything. View live feed, play a recorded clip, and trigger a motion event to confirm push notifications arrive. If video lags or connection drops, update the camera firmware and the app first, then clear the app cache. Make sure you repair only after a restart if problems continue. One key troubleshooting step: reboot both the camera and your router. Check the 4 GHz signal strength and reconfirm app permissions, because most failures come from network or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.